If you can go on a holiday tomorrow, where do you want to go to? If I ask you this question, you immediately start reflecting, thinking, or even dreaming away. That's interactivity. It's a two-direction communication. It's the opposite when talking about static content or static marketing. Think for static marketing about old school marketing, more like flyers, billboards on the road, where for interactive marketing, you can think about assessments, quizzes, even games or interactive infographics. Let me give you an example. If you fill in a digital maturity assessment, then you get feedback based on your answers. Feedback within the assessment or afterwards in a personalized automated report. It's important to create interactivity to build communication based on the preferences of your customer. We get a lot of content during the day, on the radio, on the television, on social media feeds, on your phone. Everywhere is content, so you need to filter it. You have much more engagement when it's interactive and when it's based on the preferences. So next time, if you need to pick a destination, choose for the journey of interactive marketing.